Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So finally Samsung has released that long awaited January update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Today in this video we will talk about that update. So to update it, simply go into the settings of your device. From here you have to scroll all the way down and tap on software update. So the last update that I got on this phone was of December 1st 2025. This is the first update of 2026 that I have got on this device. Now from here tap on download and install. From here you will get to see that there is a new update available of 444 MBs in size with the January 1st 2025 security patch and the One UI 8.0. So it is a security patch update with some new improved security features and some bug fixes that were there before. Also this update will include some app updates as well. First of all, you will have to download this update. For that, simply tap on this button over here with the name of download. So the first of all 444 MBs of update will be downloaded on your device. Then you will have to restart it to complete the installation process. Once the update is downloaded, simply tap on install now to complete the installation process, but make sure that your device is completely free during this installation process, as you will be unable to use your phone during this installation process. And once you're completely free, tap on install now and the installation will begin on your phone. While the installation process is going on, let's talk about the One UI 8.5 update. So if we talk about the release date, so currently the One UI 8.5 is on the beta phase. First beta was released on December 8, 2025 and now we are expecting the beta 4 for the Galaxy S25 series. For the official update that will be released in the month of March with the Galaxy S26 series, and in the Galaxy S24 series you can expect this update in the month of March end or in April. As first of all it will be released with the Galaxy S26 series, then S25, and then you can see this update on the Galaxy S24 series. So obviously there is a long wait ahead for the official One UI 8.5 update. And finally the update is installed on my device, and as you can see now it is on the latest January 1st 2026 security patch. This was the first update that I got this year on this Galaxy S24 Ultra. And that's a wrap for today's video. So check out this update and let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your phone or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.